Hi sisters, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Aisha and I'm back with one more video. For today's video, I will be creating a clean girl makeup look. I know I've tried this look many times in the past, but I would still say that I am still trying to achieve the very clean girl makeup look. So I'm gonna try to create the clean girl makeup look today. And if you have come to my channel for the first time, then hi, my name is Aisha. I create content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And on that note, let's get started. And I've tried to keep it very easy and simple. If you're a beginner like me, then it will be easy for you to recreate this look. And first we're gonna talk about the base. For the base, the key to achieve the clean girl makeup look is a good primer. And for my primer today, I'm using this one. This is by Giordani Gold. It is a serum boost. It is a primer plus serum. So I'm going to use this one. And whenever you're trying to create a clean girl makeup look, make sure you're using a good primer which gives you that glowy kind of a skin and looks very natural. So that is the key to achieve the clean girl makeup look. And the foundation has to be not full coverage foundation, it has to be on the tinted side. These are the two key factors to achieve the clean girl makeup look. And if you can see the glow, oh my god. And this is the first time I'm trying this product, and what would be a better start than creating a clean girl makeup look, because this primer will just go well. So the primer is done and this is how it looks. If you want to check this product, I will share the link in the description box below. You can check their website, you can check their app, and if you want, I can also help you to purchase. If you can reach out to me on my email ID so that I can help you out to purchase any of the product from Oriflame. So my primer is all done. I'm gonna leave this for a minute or two and move on to the next step. And for my next step today, I'm using the On Color foundation. This is not the full coverage foundation, it is like a tinted foundation which is just perfect. And if you like wearing a tinted foundation or a foundation on regular basis, definitely check this product. I will for sure share the link for this product as well in the description box. And this retails for 499 rupees. Now with the help of the sponge, I am going to apply the foundation. If you can see, it looks like a skin, but it also gives you that natural glow, and it also gives you that slight tinted. And this is just perfect to get the clean girl makeup look. So the base is all complete. This is how it looks like on my skin. And so foundation and the primer gives you this result. I also don't want to rush with this video, but यहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी है that I will have to rush with this video. And for my next step, I'm applying the concealer. This is a concealer, not the lipstick. Again, this is by Oriflame. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes and little bit of here and here and here. And I'm using the same sponge to blend the concealer and set this on my face. Areas to focus is my dark circles. I get a lot of dark circles. We are done with the concealer. Voila, we look good. And now let's move on to the next step, which is to apply the cream contour. And I'm using this one. This is by NYK. So I'm going to apply this. I think this look is just perfect even for a cute date. If you're going for a movie date or anywhere, let it be anywhere, this is just perfect. A little bit here, and I think nose. And for today's step, whenever you blend a cream contour or beat a powder contour, blend it upwards. Never blend like this, blend it upwards so that it lifts your face, and you will see the difference instantly. And now I'm going to bake my face a little bit by using the PAC translucent powder, and this is in the shade 02. I'm going to use this, and again this is the first time I'm trying this product, and I've shared the Nykaa haul with you all, so haul with you all. And while my face is baking, we will move on to our eyes. I'm using this palette by Revolution, and I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to use only 2 shades today to keep it very simple. I don't want to do something which I'm not really good at. I'm going to keep it very simple, and I'm using this shade right here, and I'm going to use this one on top of that. Now next step is to curl my lashes. I really don't do anything for my eyebrows, so I'm going to keep it as it is. I might brush my eyebrows, but before that we will curl our lashes and apply the mascara. And for my mascara today I'm using this one. This is by L'Oreal Paris. And now moving on to my favorite step of the entire makeup look is to apply the blush, and this is by Swiss Beauty. This one is really cute, and it is a good product. It is very pigmented, so I'm going to apply only few drops, and we are going to blend the blush with the help of a brush. Now moving on to the secret product to achieve the clean girl makeup look is an highlighter, and this is my favorite highlighter by Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome, and I use this every time whenever I want to get that extra glow. So wow. Now I'm going to use the same highlighter and take the small brush and take little amount of highlighter and apply and moving on to the last step is for my lips. I am first taking little bit of contour. I'm taking little bit of contour. I'm using these 2 shades, and this one is by Swiss Beauty Spill the Beans with the. I'm going to outline my lips and use any pink shade. Tap, tap, tap. And we have come to an end of this video. I'm gonna quickly do my hair and show you guys the final look. So this was my clean girl makeup look which I tried to create it, and this is one of the attempt, and I'm still learning how to achieve the clean girl makeup look. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.